Why tech is leverage, not just a career. Most people think tech means a coding job, a salary, and a certificate. That's the old belief. What if I told you that tech is better understood as leverage, a way to multiply your time, income, and influence so you can outcompete your friends who work harder than you but not smarter? So, for the next 15 minutes, I'll reframe tech from a job you chase into a toolkit you use to create an unfair advantage for you. If you're tired of trading hours for dollars, listen up. This will change how you approach learning and work. When I say leverage, I mean the ability to get more output from less input. So imagine like two people, one person trade hours for dollars doing the same task every week. The others invest in a few hours building a small automation or template and multiple their output continuously. That second person has leverage. It's not magic, it's compounding. Leverage takes many shapes. Financial leverage use debt to amplify investment return, and social leverage use relationship to unlock opportunities. So tech leverage uses tools, automation, API, platform and distribution to scale human effort. You build it once and it run infinitely. So let's be painfully practical. You write the same weekly report in a spreadsheet and email it to 5 managers. Linear work means you spend 2 hours every Monday doing it. Leverage means you spend like 3 hours once building a template or an automation, an email script. Then process runs in 10 minutes every week without you even involved with it. Over a year, you save nearly roughly 100 hours. That saved time can become a billable work, a side project, upskilling, or time with family. So that's leverage. Time transforms into optionality. Now compare leverage to the time for money. Idea most careers sell you. In a linear model, your income is a direct function of time. More hours, more money. That's fragile. It competes your stamina, not your creativity. Leverage instead turns 1 hour of thoughtful setup into ongoing return. It changes your income function to something like intelligent plus system plus distribution. Suddenly, growth isn't constrained by how many hours you can work. You are not invincible, but your outcome scale. A few important clarification. Leverage is not cheating, it's a design. You still need deep thinking at the start. The first hours of designing an automation or a product is often the hardest. Leverage also carries risks. If you build on shaky platform or poorly documented tools, your gains can evaporate. That's why we pair leverage with resilient. Choose tools that are reliable and design with simplicity. Finally, leverage is directional. You can apply it to time, to money, to reach, or to quality. The rest of this video will focus mostly on time and reach because those are the fastest win for career switches and non-technical professional. But know this, once you learn to build one leverage system, the patterns repeat. You spot more opportunities to multiply your impact. That's the skill that I want to share with you, or at least a mindset, a system thinking. So, why tech is the strongest modern leverage? There are 5 reasons: automation, scalability, distribution, speed, and global reach. So, for automation, tools let you remove repetitive work. A simple automation, an email template hooked into a spreadsheet, an NNN workflow. The same automation that save you time can be packaged and sold into a client. I've seen consultants who charge their first 2,000 by demonstrating 10 minutes automation that save client 20 hours a month. That's a quick ROI and easy sale. And next is scalability. Digital work scales. A template, a script, or a tutorial can serve one user or 10,000 users with a minor incremental efforts. Contrast that with consultancy where each client consumes equivalent time. Launch a video or a small product once, and the marginal cost of each additional viewer or buyer is near zero. That's where leverage turns into a semi-passive income. And then comes distribution. The internet is a distribution machine. You build something useful and you can reach people anywhere. Your reach is unlimited. Content, demo, or repo example becomes discovery point. One clear demo video can generate leads, client, and followers. You don't need to be polished celebrity, you need signal that shows value and a way of people to act. And then comes speed. Tech experiments are fast. You can prototype a workflow in a day using no-code tools like NNN, iterate in hours, and ship a working demo the same week. The faster you can build, test, and learn, the faster you find product market fit for a side project or a consulting offers. Speed compounds with feedback and loop. Quicker experiment mean quicker learning and quicker revenue. Uh, to cut short, uh, fail fast, win fast. Global reach. You can sell your skill across border. A high quality automation or repeatable process that save money will be valuable to a business or any country. That opens pricing arbitrage and large market. You no longer price by local salary norm. So the important caveats on this section is that tech leverage is not free. It requires shaping your problem clearly, choosing the right tool, and building a resilient system. Also, leverage increases impact and responsibility. If you automate a process that make mistake, you must monitor it. But when done right, tech turns effort into reusable asset. That's why learning basic tech fluency delivers massive ROI for people who were never interested in coding as a career but want to leverage in life. And me personally, 2022, when I changed my career from construction into software developer, it took me a lot of guts, and basically it's a leap of faith. And I didn't regret ever since. And today I work as a fully remote US job. I can work flexible without clocking in, clocking out. It has this environment where as long as you get the job done, and I'm able to work from anywhere, and I'm able to earn more than my previous career, which is 7 years in construction. If you who are watching this video who actually have the same experience as I am 3 years ago, and you feel stuck in your current career and you want to change your career into tech, but you do not know how, or maybe you are someone who want to build software using AI coding tools, or you want to build automation using AI, so please subscribe to this channel. I will share a full roadmap for free in my YouTube channel, like how step by step I will prepare a module for you to learn. Start with basic programming language, and then we build up a portfolio and also a tips how you want to land a tech job, because speed is very important. It was never about learn enough. Back then, I thought I have to learn as much as possible until I feel ready to find a job. But then I just realized it was never about your knowledge. It's about the 80-20 rules. Like, what are the most important requirement for you to land a job? So I will share with you in this channel. So you can follow on my YouTube, and these are other platforms that I'm quite active in, especially Thread. And if you want more in-depth, uh, and I'm going to run a course soon, and also you can subscribe to my newsletter. I will share a lot of hidden gems and hidden nuggets inside. And I hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up, and please comment down below any manual work that you want to automate. Maybe in the future I could select few of those and create a tutorial to automate those manual work into AI automation workflow. Thank you guys. I see you guys in the next video. Keep hustle.